Okay, so let's continue with our next video in our coding exercise series. And in this video, we will see the next problem on the HackerRank, which is cats and mouse. And this is very easy category question. So currently we are trying to solve very easy category questions. Okay, so let's see the question. We have two cats and a mouse, and are at a various position on a line. Right, so we have some straight line and two cats were there at some positions and one mouse is there. You will be given their starting position. So in we will be provided by the okay, cat is at this position or mouse is at this position. So as an example, so let's suppose we a straight line. So cat A might be at this position, cat B at might be this position, mouse C will be this position, or maybe cat A at this position, cat B at this position, mouse will be at this position. Correct. Your task is to determine which cat will reach the mouse first. So if you see the first example by looking at the diagram, cat A is here, cat B is here, mouse is C is there. So which cat is going to reach the mouse first? So definitely cat B, because the distance between mouse 3 and 2 is 1 and 3 and 1 is 2. So this distance is shorter, so cat B will reach earlier, right? And if you see the second option, so mouse is in between, and uh, cat A also reach in 1 minute, cat B is also reach in 1 minute. If we just consider this as a minute, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, both are equal to 1. So both will reach to the same time, right? Okay, but we need to tell which cat is going to arrive earlier. So they have mentioned if cat A catches the mouse first, then print cat A. Let's suppose if cat A reaches first, then we need to return cat A. If cat B reaches mouse first, then we need to return cat B. Just a string we need to run. If both cats reach at the same time, then what will happen? If both cat reach are going to the same time, they are going to fight with each other, and then by the meanwhile, mouse C will move. So we need to return mouse C. So if the distance is same, we need to return same. So this is very easy category question. What we need to do is we just need to calculate the diff, because all the 3 points are given. Like cat, what is the position of cat A, what is the position of cat B, what is the position of mouse C. All 3 points are given. We just need to calculate the absolute difference, right? Because we can't say like 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2, because 1 and 3, the distance is 2. So shall we subtract from 1 minus 3 or 3 minus 1? So we have to get the distance, so that's why we have to use the absolute value. So we will just get the distance, and whatever is the minimum distance, we are going to print that. So let's jump to the code. So you could see in the first line it is mentioned cat A position. 1 second. It is given in the first line. The first line contains the single integer queue denoting the number of queries. So that's fine. It's fine. But these are the position, position. So first position is for cat A, second position is for cat B, third position is for mouse. First position for cat A, second position for cat B, third position for mouse. So we have three input given. First position for cat A, second position for cat B, and third is for mouse. So x, y, z, three coordinates are given. So what we will do is, so we'll find if absolute of, we need to get the distance, right? And so we will calculate the distance between cat A. We will find the distance between this distance and this distance. So how we will do? So z minus, so this is x, right? And this is y, and this is z. So we will find z minus x and z minus y. So z minus x, if absolute of z minus x, if cat A and cat C, z minus x is less than absolute of z minus y. So it means cat A is near, so we are going to return cat A. L if absolute of z minus x is greater than absolute of z minus y, then we need to return cat B. Else we will return mouse C. Alright. So if z minus x is the cat A coordinate. If cat A is nearer, the distance smaller, then we are going to return cat A because cat A will reach earlier. If cat B is nearer, then we are going to return cat B. If nothing is like that, it means both distance are at the same position. As an example, in this case, they are at the same position, right? So in this case, both the cats are going to fight with each other, and we are going to return mouse C. So let's run the code. So sample test case has been passed, and let's try to test all the test scenarios. So we have two test scenario given and everything ran fine. So very easy category question. So don't get confused with the description of the question, because on the hacker rank I have observed the description of the question generally is very large, but the question is generally easy if it is a easy category question. So that's it. That's the end of the video, and thank you.